The Speed Queen Top Load Washer harnesses the power of water to deliver our strongest, best clean yet. Traditionally, top-load washers pulled garments towards the agitator, where they were cleaned. But through thousands of hours of research and development, our engineers discovered an even better way. This revolutionary approach pushes soap and water through garments so they get cleaned, regardless of where they are in the wash bin. Here's how it works. The basket and agitator move in sync, causing the water and the garments to move together in the same direction. Then, the basket and agitator quickly switch directions. This change causes the water in the washer, up to 117 pounds of it, to rush in the opposite direction. The result? The power of the moving water knocks out dirt and stains. In fact, testing proves this new washing technology cleans 5% better while being almost 20% gentler on garments than our previous model. Speed Queen top-load washers are also smart. Our patent-pending autofill technology is designed to recognize the type of fabric being washed and adjust water levels automatically to give your load the right amount every time. And it starts washing while it fills in order to get each load done quickly. Of course, if you want to select your own load size, you can do that too. The Speed Queen top-load washer. Incredible washing performance and unmatched durability. Visit your local dealer to learn more.